Hello everyone, welcome again to the video lessons of the IMPACT IELTS. This is the sixth video, and if you can remember, in the fifth video I discussed about the same passage with one particular question type, that was flowchart completion. In this particular video I am going to tackle the next type of question, which is table completions. So by now I have already read and understood what is the passage about, and I have already done the first question type, and I haven't got so far while doing the first question type the keyword submersible screen. So what will I do here? I will start searching this keyword to get the answer of these questions, and we already know that answers are given in sequences in table completion questions. So let's try to find the word submersible screen first. As you can see that we have read until here. We haven't got that submersible screen, so I will read further and I try to find this word before I try to find the answer. Submersible screen. You can see again it is taking a longer, so I'm not getting. So don't worry if you're not getting it, you will definitely find it somewhere, so don't worry for that. So we can see measure refer. Okay, you got it. So here is your keyword, submersible screen. So you got your first keyword, you just underline it, and now you try to see what is your first question in table completion. In table completion, one more factor is important. You need to see that what is it about. So you can see here there are four subtitles. It's engineering object, purpose, impact, and outcome. So your first question is this one: keep young migrating salmon clear of what? So keyword is young migrating salmon here. But first I will find this, and then I will see again what is my question and come back. Young migrating salmon I am finding after this. Oh, you immediately found it. So that's migrating juvenile. That means young migrating. So I got the keyword. Let me come back and see what is the questions. If you can keep in mind, you can straight away and directly attempt the questions. So keep young migrating salmon clear of what? Clear of what? And I have to write down two, no more than two. So I have to find out clear of what, right? Submersible screens designed to divert migrating juveniles away from turbines. So you can see divert away from turbines. So clear from turbines. So that is your first answer you got, right? So the first answer is turbine. Let's look at the second keyword. For the second question of table completion is saying manually protect this type of jingle, and this time I'll not come back to look at the question because it seems too short. So manually protect what type of jingle, that I have to find out. Manually protect what type of jingle. Okay, so let me read further. These screens steer as many as 95% of, means mainly. 95% means what? Mainly. 95% means mainly it protects. So that is the kind of keyword. Now what I have to find out which type of jingle. Stream type jingle. So answer is clear. Stream type. Stream type. And hyphen is considered as one word, even if two words are allowed. So the answer is stream type. Right. Now the next question. Next question of table completion is number 8. No clue. What we have to find out here is the name of the engineering object or project. The first was submersible screen. What is the name of the second project which assists the journey? Perhaps it can help you a bit, but let's see. So you read this one. Okay, so you can see fish ladders. At first you talk about submersible screen. Now he's saying fish ladders too have drawback. But what is fish ladder? Of course, this is the name of another object, because it has also got drawbacks. The answer is fish ladder. So I don't have to read further. It's clear. Next question and next keyword is fish ladder. What is the outcome? So outcome means you will find in the end. You can also have this kind of prediction or estimation that once we have got this, they will talk about purpose, then talk about impact, and finally they talk about outcome. So we will read a bit further to find the answer. Negative impact on what? And about this is about fish ladder. Fish ladder negative. So we will read a bit ahead. Discharge from the turbine can disorient the fish and make it hard for them to find ladders. It seems like the outcome. Such impediments do not kill the fish, okay, but they affect migration rate. So that is the negative impact. Fish not killed, but it affects the migration rate. So answer is migration rates, and this is 2 words, so that's right, no problem here. And let's see the next question. What is the next question saying? He's saying fish can, and this is about briny dam, so perhaps this keyword, and then you have to find out fish cannot get to normal. Oh, keyword is a bit challenging here, but still you can say cannot get to, right? It seems like the keyword, cannot get to. So at first I have to find out briny dam because it's obvious to find, and then cannot get to. Let's see, cannot get to. We have already read up to here, so I'll read further. I'm searching. Oh, brownie dam I got. So that means the next keyword I have to find out is cannot get to, right? Snake produces salmon spawn, the completion of the dam in the vast majority of the habitat. Inaccessible, so you can see this is inaccessible, of course, means cannot get to, but I have to find out what is the question here. The question says fish cannot get to normal what? That means where they cannot get to, that means which is inaccessible for them. So let me come here. Okay, the completion of the dam in the late 1950s not only rendered the vast majority of their habitat inaccessible, okay, so that means their habitat become inaccessible. So your answer is habitat here. Good, that's good, cool. Let's see the next. Okay, so the keyword is very great changes. Okay, very great changes. Okay, fine. In what? Okay, very great changes in what? And it should be very close to this one, I think, because both are the part of the impact. So we have to be very careful when reading further. But also led to more extreme. So you can see very great, more extreme, very great, right? Led to means change. What? Led to more extreme? Water temperature. Okay, and 2 words, perfectly 2 words. So the answer is water temperature. No problem at all. And now we're moving to the last question, last keywords. The outcome is the dash of snake river chinkum chin. So what of snake? So perhaps the keyword can be snake river chinkum. So what of snake river chinkum change? This is what I have to find out. Let me see snake river chinkum from here. Okay, so this is the keyword here. So that means you will get the answer in this particular sentence. So now I have to say, what is change of the snake river chinkum? These changes in turn alter the life cycle of the small population. Okay, so what change? Alter means change. What does it change? The life cycle of small population of. Don't get trapped here by small population because this is not changing. Population remains the same. What changes is the life cycle of the small population of snake river chinkum. Okay, so that's all from these sections. I have covered the first longer passage through this video. In next video, I will take another longer passages because longer passages are a bit tricky. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.